What's good, crypto family? Hope you guys are having a great morning. As you guys see, shout out to the DOGELON Mars family. The vote for DOGELON Mars expanding to BNB chain pass. Thank you for participating, Martians. Ad Astra, salute. So as you guys see here, breaking. Morgan Stanley confirmed we are still early. New survey by MS reveals majority of upside is yet to come into crypto and AI. Trillions coded. All we can do is hold. And if you can't hold, fold. Fold your bags. Fold it up. You know what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, man, I ain't exiting out of my liquidity. I'm holding my position, regaining my position into more assets. But at the end of the day, I got to get me some cash right now, which meaning starting side hustles outside. Whatever is going on, you got to get that money flowing. And of course, we are waiting for this mega rally, for this major super cycle that we are all waiting for. But at the end of the day, we can't be on no standstill. You have to make something happen. Goldman Sachs predicts 3 rate cuts in 2025, September, October, and December. Bullish for markets. So as what you guys heard, Jerome Powell, he sound like, we may have a rate cut, but I'm going to be honest with you guys, man. Rate cut or no rate cut, I ain't got time for no rate cuts. If they're going to do it, they're going to do it. At the end of the day, I'm going to keep on accumulating my bags. They are just putting that pressure on top of you guys so you guys can sell your bags so they can buy it up. Because they know people like myself, they know other people are giving out great information to the world. And they're trying to make it like a reverse psychology where it's not going to happen. These great people that are telling you about the super cycle and how about everything will be unfolding, the elites are suppressing the markets. They don't want you to be able to become wealthy. And only few of us will become wealthy because a lot of people are going to have to exit out of their positions. They don't have time to have belief into these digital assets. They're going to be like, man, it's time for me to go. Let's just be honest. All right. But what I can say is this, man. Everybody got that tiger in them. Everybody got that hustler in them. You got to wake up that hustler. Get things moving. We know we got this on the back end. But what do you have in front of you right now? You have that ambition. You have that willpower. Go out there and get it. So as you see here, President Trump signs the executive order allowing Ethereum into the $12 trillion 401k. And you know that's bullish. That's definitely bullish. And what I see here, Trump advisor David Bailey says there's not going to be another Bitcoin bear market for several years. Make it make sense. Out of all honesty, yeah, what, Bitcoin's at $111,000 right now? And if Bitcoin falls below 90,000, that means that these whales aren't going to go buy it up. They're going to buy it up. But right now, what looks like a great opportunity for these whales are Ethereum. Because a lot of these institutions A lot of these companies are accepting Ethereum as payment. Crypto is going to have a massive catch-up trade in Q1 2026. Liquidity is back, breadth is back, is expanding, and risk assets are prime. Let's play this clip.
To be liquidity and people realize that the market is going to go higher and there's risk assets. And then, Charles, and I think you've been talking about this for a period of time, is Wall Street sold the bottom. Wall Street is underexposed. And so like in 09 or 03, we're going to have a massive catch-up trade between now and the first quarter of 2026. And so, yes, AI is great, but at the same point in time, small cap, retail, home builders, everything is going to have a massive catch-up trade. And so what I would be suggesting your listeners to do, or your viewers to do, is expect the breadth in the market to increase over the next 4 to 6 months. There's going to be liquidity and people realize that, the market is going to go higher and there's risk assets. And then,
so what you guys going to do? You're going to sit there and complain, or you're going to get up and go get it? You have to go and get that paper right now. Get that paper. Do what you got to do. Enjoy yourself. If your bags are already packed, enjoy yourself right now. And if your bags aren't right now, hustle. Hustle. That's all I can say. Hustle. That's what I've been doing on the back end. Trying to set up different type of businesses on the outskirts. Because time does not wait for no man at all. And as you see here, U.S. Treasury has bought $2 trillion of its own debt. This is without the QE. Just imagine what's coming. I can definitely do that. I can definitely do that. It's coming, family. All we can do is not just wait. Hey, have that in the back burner. We got our bags packed. Some of those who don't have their bags packed, you still have enough time. Look at the price of DOGELON Mars right now, 1058. 1058. Bitcoin at $111,000. Ethereum sitting at 4,600. XRP sitting at 296. What are you going to do? Are you going to sell out your position? Or are you going to get off your ass and hustle? There's plenty of ways to get it. Can't be lazy. Can't be lazy right now. Can't complain. Can't complain that your life is where it is right now. You can't use that as excuses. We got 24 hours just like everybody else do. So what are you doing in your time?